Good evening. We begin live in Oakville, where residents are enjoying the final weekend before Halton Region, York and Hamilton enter the red zone on Monday. Peel and Toronto entered those tightened restrictions earlier today. Now, we spoke with Oakville business owners who say they don't understand why they're being lumped in with hotspots.
It's terrible. I want this thing to end already.
This Oakville resident and his partner have been enjoying their town over the past few months. But rules are about to change in Halton for businesses and those who enjoy them.
It was inevitable that it was going to happen, so obviously we're not happy about it.
Have you noticed people from other hotspots such as Mississauga or Toronto coming to dine at your restaurant?
We've had some customers come from Mississauga over the past couple of weeks, that's for sure, since we're so close.
Halton Medical Officer of Health Dr. Hamida Mirani says they are aware of people coming into the region from other areas. That may be contributing to higher numbers. The population for Halton is 619,000 people. 42 new cases are being reported in the region, 24 in Milton, 14 in Oakville, and only 2 in Burlington. Currently, the ICU bed occupancy rate in the region is at 88% capacity. Burlington Mayor Marianne Mead Ward says in a statement, in part, Burlington's numbers remain low, but we are all in this together and part of the same public health unit that is seeing increases.
Halton's population is much smaller than these other regions that we've been talking about. So while others may have thought that because Halton wasn't in the top 4 hotspots, I have been looking very closely at our numbers from day one, from September when the second wave started, and we have been seeing an uptick slowly, steadily, and now very rapidly.
Well, we were obviously very disappointed, of course, because we thought we had been following all the measures, but, we have to put our trust in the public health to make sure that they're keeping us safe as well.
Is it worth it for you to stay open?
We're not quite sure if it's in our best interest to open up for 10 people inside based on our labor costs and the expenses of having the restaurant be open for only 10 guests. It might not make sense for us. It might make more sense for us to open in the cafe.
Some staff are going to have to, say hold off on your hours and things like that until we find out how long this is going to be. We're hoping that takeout is still stay strong.
The Halton Medical Officer of Health is advising people to only go outside for essential purposes, avoid all social gatherings, and if you are meeting with people outside of your household, maintain a physical distance of 2 meters or more.